Well, hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to Jay's Learning School. I am Jay, and I am so glad to have the opportunity to teach you English words. Today, we're going to learn about fruit words. I have right under 30 words, 30 vocabulary words that we're going to look at and learn today that you can watch and listen to this video and enhance your English speaking. Now, before we get into today's lesson, as always, I want to invite you to subscribe. Your subscription helps me to know that you are enjoying this content and it is being a help to you. And if you like or comment, those two things will also help me know that you are enjoying the content and you would like for me to keep it coming. All right, let's get into today's lesson. Today's first word is apple. Apple. And let me also say I have turned on closed captions so you can follow me by reading what I'm saying also. Apple. I like to eat apples. Peach. Peach. Georgia, where I live, is also called the peach or the peach state. The peach is our official fruit here in Georgia, the peach state. And that is because we're known for growing a lot of peaches down in South Georgia. Pear. Pear. My grandmother had 2 pear trees in her yard. And every summer we went to visit her, we would pick pears off the ground all the time. Pear. Apricot. 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 Very sweet fruit. I like to eat dried apricots. Banana. Banana. I enjoy eating bananas and banana splits with some ice cream. Banana. Blueberry. Blueberry. I put blueberries in my smoothies. Blueberry. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Man, I like cantaloupe, especially if you get a nice fresh one that's sweet. My wife and I just bought some cantaloupes a week or so ago. They were on sale for 2 for $5, and we just so happened to pick out 2 good ones. Cantaloupe. My grandfather grew cantaloupes in his yard. Cantaloupe. Grapes. Grapes. I like seedless grapes. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a sour fruit. Sometimes, well, all the times when I choose to eat grapefruit, I actually sprinkle sugar on mine. Coconut. Coconut. Cherry. Cherry. Lemon. Lemon. I like lemons on my fish. I like lemon in my tea. And lemon is good when you have a sore throat. Lemon. Well, actually peppermint. But lemon in hot tea helps your throat as well. Lemon. Lime. Lime. Kiwi. Kiwi. Mango. Mango. Mangoes are very sweet if you pick them right. Now, mangoes have a big seed on the inside. They're about that big. They're pretty large and they're flat seeds. Mango. One of my favorite fruits, orange. Orange. I also enjoy eating watermelon. Watermelon. Plum. Plum. Oh yeah. Pineapple. 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 Raspberry. Raspberry. It's funny how the P is actually silent. Raspberry. Strawberry. Strawberry. Back when I was a child, I remember my mother used to buy powdered sugar, and we would dip the strawberries into the powdered sugar. Strawberry. Fig. Fig. My grandmother that I spoke of earlier with the pear trees, she also had fig trees, and she would make pear and fig preserves. And I didn't appreciate it when I was young, but as I grew older, man, they were so good. And I haven't had pear preserves like that since I was a child, or fig preserves. And she would place them in the little mason jars and put the nutmeg and cinnamon clovers in there. Man, they were really good. Figs. Okay, starfruit. Starfruit. I have seen starfruit at the store, but I don't think I've ever eaten any starfruit, so I couldn't tell you what it tastes like. It's a very odd looking fruit. I'll have to try it one day. If you've had starfruit, let me know down in the comments how it tastes. Is it sweet? Is it bitter? Kind of describe it in the comment section. Let me know if you've had starfruit. Nectarines. Nectarine. Nectarine. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. I like pomegranates. Pomegranate. Now, this is called a fruit basket. Fruit basket. And of course, a fruit basket, people usually give them as gifts. And it's just a basket filled with various types of fruit. And it's usually wrapped in plastic. A fruit basket. Cranberry, a great antioxidant that's good for your body as well as for your urinary tract. Cranberry. Cranberry. And our last fruit vocabulary word for today's lesson is elderberry. Elderberry. I've been taking elderberry for the last couple of years, and elderberry is excellent for helping your immune system. If you feel a cold or flu coming along, elderberry is just really good for just knocking that out. And it's all natural. So elderberry, I enjoy that. Now it will stain your clothes. And I haven't had the fruit by itself, but I've had it pressed to where the elderberry syrup is used to cure sickness. Elderberry. Well, I want to thank you for watching today's lesson. I want to encourage you, if you're trying to speak better English, the videos that I have down in the description, I encourage you to watch the videos twice, sometimes 3 times, to get the words in you and get them more familiar when it comes to speaking. So make sure you watch the video 2 to 3 times. You can go back and again turn on the closed caption and you can read along with me as I speak the words. And of course, the pictures will help you to remember those words as well. If you liked or learned something here on today's lesson, please give me a like. As I said earlier, that will help me know that you appreciate the content and it is beneficial to you. Also, if you're not a subscriber, my analytics are showing that most of you are not a subscriber, but you do watch the videos. Please give me a subscription, as that will let me know that you want me to continue to have this content for you and you like the way I do things here on the channel. Because my goal, as I say on my videos, I want to get enough subscribers to where I can do live streams and we can interact and talk and ask questions and learn from one another in that format as well. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching Jay's Learning School lesson. Today we talked about fruit words. Make sure you go back and watch each video that I have 2 to 3 times, because that will help you to become more efficient at speaking these words. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless you.